Good day, folks. Brent Barnett here with Vancouver Yacht Sales by United City Yachts, Canada's premier yacht sales network. Here today shooting a video of our latest listing. This is a 2008 21-foot Seaswirl Alaskan package, 2101. This boat, the most unique thing about it is the fact that it's got a rebuilt Volvo engine in her. So it is an inboard engine. Let's take you on a tour. Well, folks, thanks for watching. This boat is ready to go. It does come with a dual axle trailer as well. If you would like a showing, please contact me at 236-688-6828. You can contact me by email, brent@vancouveryachtsales.com, or better yet, check out the listing on our website at www.vancouveryachtsales.com. We'll have all the specifications of this vessel, as well as some static pictures. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope to hear from you. Thanks for watching.